Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a small change with itslearning's February, late January updates. And this is affecting if you have email notifications or email alerts associated with your itslearning account. So the change is that if you have email notifications and alerts set up, then you'll only get course updates like submissions, any changes in the course, anything along those lines for starred courses. So nothing for unstarred courses. So if you have been liking that you get lots of notifications for all of your courses, you can make a change simply that if you go to the Home tab on your course menu and then toggle over to courses, you can favorite a course or star it so that you still receive those notifications. I have all of these ones as my starred courses, so I would continue to get notifications for those. I can type the name here if I wanted to search for it, and I can even just search through them alphabetical if I wanted and then star the ones that I want to get notifications for. You're thinking, I didn't know that I could get email notifications and I want to set that up. You can for sure do that. What you're going to do is click your profile over here. All right, and then you go to your settings. And when this is loading, I'm going to move myself back over. All right, so if I do alerts, you can activate your email alerts if you want those or not. And then you can even decide which ones you would like to get email notifications for. So again, that would only be for starred courses, but that is a change and you can turn on and off those notifications if you would like. If you have questions, let us know.